Well, hi everyone, it's Kev here, and I'm out on the V-Strom today. It's Good Friday today, it's a holiday, so there's not as much traffic around in town as you can see. So today I'm just going for a little ride out in the country. Thought you might like to come along. Going to have a look at one or two things. I just really have been looking forward to getting out just for a bit of a ride. I haven't made a video for a while and haven't been able to get out for a variety of reasons. But anyway, it's Easter time, it's Good Friday, and today I'm out for a ride. So come along, we've got some good things to see, one or two things to show you today. Enjoy the ride. We'll head off out into the country a little bit, just stay local, and let's go see what we can see. And just down here we have a bridge. This bridge has been here for a good few years, but if you look over the edge here, over there, there's an old bridge there. Here comes some traffic, so we better get going. So I came out here the other day and I filmed that bridge. I climbed down the bank there and did a bit of video of the bridge, so here's something for you to look at just while we ride out to the next spot. The video I made of the bridge. And I've come down here today to film this old bridge. This is on State Highway 3, and just up over here you can hear the traffic going across the new bridge, which has been there for quite a few years now. But I like filming these old bridges and having a look at them, and it gives me something to do. So this is what I've done today. This bridge here is on State Highway 3. This is an old bridge just out of New Plymouth, not too far out, just past the Englewood turnoff. And of course it would have originally been the State Highway bridge that you went across if you were heading north. It's quite good, it's quite interesting, something a bit different. So here's one of our nice new flash roundabouts on State Highway 3. This little area here is called Brixton. And there's our nice new roundabout to make that intersection there a bit safer. Wonderful. Here comes our next roundabout. This is the new roundabout at Waitra. This is a nice new flash roundabout. This used to be a crossroads here, a crossroads intersection, and I nearly got knocked off my Honda Goldwing when I was heading north one day. I rode through this crossroads intersection and there was a car turning right into Waitra. I was on the Honda Goldwing and I was a little bit obscured, and he turned just as I appeared from behind a car that was stationary in front of me. I believe in miracles. It was a miracle that he never hit me. I could feel the paint on the motorbike hanging on for dear life as I went whizzing past him. He managed to stop just in time before he knocked me off the bike. So I'm pretty grateful for that roundabout. Makes that intersection a bit safer, a lot safer. So here we are. We're just coming down the road here. We're past Uranui and we're heading for Mount Messenger, but we're not going over Mount Messenger today. There's just something down here that I'm going to have a look at. If you look over here to my left as we go across this bridge here, you'll see over there a little old bridge which I'm quite intrigued with, so I'm going to stop here and go and see the people that own this property here. So I've just come here to take some photos and do a bit of footage of this bridge here. I went to the house just up here and saw the people that they sort of own this bridge. They think they do because it's on their land. It's an old bridge, and I just find that, you know, if you ask people if you can go onto their property, I haven't had anybody yet that's growled at me or told me to go away or anything like that. I find that most people, they're more than happy to just let you onto their land and walk across their paddocks, take photos and put the drone up, whatever I want to do. Usually I'm asking them because there's something interesting that I want to film or take a photo of. So yeah, if you treat people right and just respect them and their wishes and their property, I find it pretty easy to get people to just let me onto their land to take photos and do whatever I want to do. I have a little hobby card, of course, that I show people and give to them that they can keep so they know who I am and what I'm about if they need to contact me about something. But yeah, I really appreciate just people, if you treat people right and ask. I've never had any trouble, and farming people and rural people seem to be more than happy to let me onto their land. So I appreciate that. So here I am on the old bridge, walking across. So this bridge here was originally the state highway, and by the width of it I would say that it was a one-way bridge. It's probably a good 60 years possibly since this bridge was used, maybe a little bit less. The gentleman in the house up here has been here for 40 years, and he said to me that he vaguely remembers as a young boy coming across this bridge, and the road went around the back here, around the bottom of the hill, not up and over where the new bridge is now. So yeah, just a bit of history here, this old bridge. So I've been lucky and fortunate to come today and film it and photograph it, make up a little bit of a story. that's it for this part of the video. I've enjoyed filming this little bridge behind me. Hope you've enjoyed this part of the video. So let's head off and on to the next thing. We'll turn off here. This is Urity Road, and there's a couple of things up here that we can have a bit of a look at, just to complete our ride for the afternoon. So just here there's this quaint little church. How cool is that? One of the things that's really important to do when you're out riding your bike is to make sure you stay hydrated. I wasn't always good at doing that, and there were one or two times when I got quite thirsty, especially if I'm making a video and I'm getting on and off the bike and doing stuff with the cameras and it's a bit of a warm day. It doesn't take long to get dehydrated, or even if you're just on a bit of a longer ride. I don't do big long rides so much these days. I stay pretty local, but I enjoy doing the stuff just around local, like what I've done today. But you need to be hydrated, you need to have water with you, and I found that by taking a reasonable amount of water with me and having a bit of a break every now and again and keeping my water levels up, it's really good. And also have a bit of a snack. Banana give you a bit of energy. Yeah, something to remember if you're out and about on your bike. Keep hydrated. It definitely makes a difference to your day and to your ride. But most of you probably already know that, all you fellas who are out there riding motorbikes. You don't need me to give you any advice. Anyway, we'll have a bit of a break here, have a drink, and my banana and my nectarine, and then we'll head up the road here, and there's just one more thing that we can look at before we head home. It's quite a cute little church, this. It's an All Saints church, so I guess it must be an Anglican church, is it? I don't know. I should know. I go to church myself. I'm a bit of a churchy man. All Saints, is that Anglican? Anyway, it's quite a cute little church, and I'm sure it's got some stories it could tell. I guess it still gets used for things, different functions, maybe a wedding or funeral. Yeah, quite a nice little restful spot, most enjoyable. This nectarine, I was really looking forward to this nectarine. It looks good on the outside, but when I bit into it, it's rotten. How bad is that? Anyway, let's go. Let's head off. This is a really nice ride through here. You can ride right through, come back out on the main road. I'm not going to go right through today because it's getting a bit late and I want to get home. But we're just going to go up here and see the tunnel. We'll ride through the tunnel and have a look at the tunnel. It's just yet another tunnel in the Taranaki region. So we'll go and have a look at that and then we'll head off home. But yeah, it's a nice ride. It's a good ride through here. I'll come back out here again sometime and just do the loop right round. I really enjoy doing these shorter local rides around some of these back roads around Taranaki. There's a lot to see. They're good roads to ride. Not too much traffic. Really enjoyable. I love it. Up here, I think it's a lot more than it was the last time I came up here, which was a good few years ago. Went through this tunnel up here. So here's the tunnel just here. This is called the Uriti tunnel. There you go, you just drive straight into the face of the cliff. Well, I was going to turn around and head back to the main road, go back that way, but I changed my mind, so I'll do the rest of the ride. Anyway, one of the things I like about coming on these rides is you often see things and meet people that you wouldn't normally meet. And just as I was getting ready to dismantle the camera there from the video of me coming through the tunnel, I heard a couple of motorbikes coming, and so I just waited. I filmed these two young guys coming through the tunnel, and they stopped when they came through and had a bit of a chat to me, and that was really good. A couple of nice young fellas, had a good day out on their motorbikes. I've had a good day today. As always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And you can be sure we will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.